Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a four-fold brochure in Canva. Let's begin. Open Canva. In the search bar, type brochure. Choose the desired size for your brochure. You will see various templates available. Select an appropriate template. Click on Customize this template. Next, go to File, click on Settings, and choose Add Guides. Click on Custom. Set columns to 4 and gap to 0. According to the guide's lines, adjust the content as needed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.